Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick helpful video for any of you trying to find where the windshield washer pump fuses and relays are located on that Jeep Cherokee, guys. You see right here. That generation from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. By the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that guys, all that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos guys. Check out our YouTube channels, that's where guys you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, now let's go ahead and explain where you can find the windshield washer pump fuses and relays on that generation Jeep Cherokee. But quick advice guys, there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, very important video by the way. First we need to open the driver door, and here guys want to show you on the driver's side, on the left side of the steering wheel, you have the headlight switch. Now if we get a closer look, underneath you have a storage compartment. Open that storage compartment, then you might have two stops on the back, on the sides, squish them together, pull it down, it will open all the way. And on the back side of that thing guys, okay, let me show you what we have here. Interior fuse box like this one here. But before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always guys test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. So the fuse guys for the windshield washer pump that we will need to check specifically, it's in this row of fuses. They don't make any sense guys, the numbers are not matching. For instance, this let me show you now, this is fuse number 53, this is 43. So that fuse number 43, that will be the one that we will need to check. Then you need to open the hood. Under the hood guys, facing the engine on the right side, that's the main engine fuse box. Press the tabs together, lift the cover up, and you're going to find that fuse box with a layout like this one here. Now guys, here what we need to check, one more fuse. Then we're talking about fuse 25 guys. You wonder where that fuse is located? We're talking about this fuse right here. On some models maybe a little bit to the right, maybe to the left, depending on the year and model. But you don't have any relays, you have only these fuses known as relay fuses. The relay function practically is controlled by the BCM, the body control module on your Jeep Cherokee. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem guys. Thank you for watching, see you next time.